Welcome to G Fun Facts Online. Look up. Right now, above your head, a silent, dramatic war is being waged. It's a realm ruled by elite hunters, masters of the air, who have conquered the challenges of high-altitude life. These are the high-flying predators. And today, we're uncovering the secrets of their astonishing lives. We'll explore everything from their incredible physiology to their ingenious hunting strategies and complex social lives. This is the world of the aerial assassin. To rule the skies, these predators have evolved into some of the most efficient biological machines on the planet. They aren't just animals that can fly. They are masterpieces of evolution, fine-tuned over millennia for lethal efficiency at dizzying heights and breathtaking speeds. Let's start with birds of prey. Their ability to thrive at high altitudes comes down to a respiratory system that is a marvel of biological engineering. Unlike you and me, birds possess a unique system of air sacs that allows for a unidirectional flow of air. Imagine your lungs being in almost constant contact with fresh, oxygen-rich air. That's the reality for them. This is a game-changing advantage in the thin, oxygen-poor atmosphere of high altitudes. It's so efficient that it has enabled some truly staggering feats. Take the Ruppel's griffon vulture. This bird holds the record for the highest flying bird ever recorded, clocked at an unbelievable 300 meters or 37,000 feet. That's cruising altitude for a passenger jet, an environment where most life would perish instantly from the cold and lack of oxygen. To support this incredible respiratory system, they have equally impressive cardiovascular hardware. Many high-altitude birds, like the bar-headed goose that migrates over the Himalayas, have a special type of hemoglobin in their blood with a higher affinity for oxygen. It essentially acts like a supermagnet for oxygen molecules, capturing them far more effectively in low oxygen or hypoxic conditions. Their hearts are also proportionally larger and more powerful than those of ground-dwelling animals, allowing them to pump that precious oxygenated blood to their powerful flight muscles with extreme efficiency. But it's not just their internal machinery that's so perfectly tuned. Their external anatomy, their very structure, is a masterclass in aerodynamics. The long, broad wings of eagles and vultures are perfect for soaring on thermal updrafts. This allows them to conserve massive amounts of energy while scanning huge territories for prey below. Falcons, on the other hand, are the fighter jets of the animal kingdom. They are built for pure speed, with long, pointed wings that enable them to perform spectacular high-speed dives, known as stoops. The undisputed king of speed is the peregrine falcon. During its hunting stoop, it can reach speeds of over 322 kilometers per hour, or 200 miles per hour. That makes it, without question, the fastest animal on the planet. Even their feathers are specialized tools of the trade. Owls, the silent hunters of the night, have leading edges on their flight feathers that are serrated, almost like a comb. This simple but brilliant design breaks up the turbulence of air flowing over the wing, muffling the sound of their wing beats. This allows them to approach their prey in near total silence, a truly deadly advantage in the dark. With bodies engineered for the hunt, these predators employ a stunning variety of tactics, each one tailored to their specific prey and environment. These are not mindless killers. They are intelligent, calculating hunters. First, you have the soaring sentinels. This group includes large raptors like eagles and buteo hawks. They use their incredible eyesight, which can be up to 8 times more powerful than a human's, to spot prey from immense heights. Perched on a high cliff or circling lazily on a thermal column of air, they can survey vast landscapes with minimal effort. Once a target is spotted, they execute a swift, powerful dive to snatch it from the ground. Then, there are the ambush artists. Not all raptors hunt from on high. Accipiters, a group of hawks that includes the Cooper's hawk and the sharp-shinned hawk, are masters of the ambush. With their short, rounded wings and long tails that act like rudders, they are incredibly agile. They can maneuver through dense forests and thickets, with astonishing speed and precision. They often fly low and fast, using the element of surprise to catch their prey, which is typically other birds, completely off guard. Next, we have the dive-bombing specialists, and this is where the falcons truly shine. The peregrine falcon stoop is one of the most breathtaking displays in the entire natural world. They will often climb to a great height above their prey, usually another bird in flight, then fold their wings and simply plummet. They are a living missile. The sheer impact of the strike, delivered with their powerful talons, is often enough to kill the prey outright. Some peregrines have even been observed hunting cooperatively in pairs, where one bird flushes the prey out into the open and the other makes the kill. And when the sun goes down, the silent assassins of the night take over. Owls are the undisputed masters of the nocturnal hunt. We already mentioned their silent flight, but that's paired with exceptional hearing. An owl's face is shaped into a facial disc, which acts like a satellite dish, funneling sound towards their asymmetrically placed ears. One ear is higher than the other. This unique placement allows them to pinpoint the exact location of their prey by triangulating sound, even if it's hidden under a foot of snow or a layer of leaves, with truly astonishing accuracy. A predator like the great horned owl, with talons that can exert immense crushing pressure, is a formidable force, capable of taking down a wide range of prey, including other, smaller raptors. But the world of high-flying predators extends beyond the avian world. In the twilight and nighttime skies, other hunters take to the wing. Let's talk about the aerial acrobats, predatory bats. While we often think of bats as insect eaters, some species are formidable predators of much larger prey. In Europe, the greater noctual bat has been observed hunting and eating small birds in mid-flight at altitudes of over a kilometer. These bats use powerful, low-frequency echolocation calls to detect birds from a distance before launching a high-speed chase. In Panama, the fringe-lipped bat uses a different strategy. It employs a hang-and-wait technique, patiently listening for the mating calls of its frog prey before swooping in for the kill. Research has shown that these bats have a hunting success rate that rivals some of the most efficient mammalian carnivores on the ground, like lions. And then there's the unrivaled hunter, a creature whose efficiency is almost unbelievable, the dragonfly. With a hunting success rate of up to 97%, dragonflies are arguably the most effective predators on the entire planet. They are masters of aerial combat. They can fly forwards, backwards, sideways, hover in place, and accelerate with incredible speed. Their enormous compound eyes give them a nearly 360-degree field of vision, allowing them to track and intercept their insect prey with unparalleled precision. They don't just chase their prey, they employ a strategy of interception. A dragonfly's brain can calculate its prey's trajectory, speed, and direction, and then plot a course to a point in space where their paths will cross. It's a calculated, lethal strike, and it almost never fails. While we might imagine these predators as solitary figures, many have evolved complex social structures and fascinating rituals hidden from our view. Some of the most remarkable behavior is seen in cooperative hunting. The Harris hawk of the American Southwest is a famous exception to the solitary nature of most raptors. These birds are known for their cooperative hunting, which has earned them the nickname wolves of the sky. They hunt in family groups of up to 7 individuals, using sophisticated strategies to flush out and capture prey, like rabbits, that would be difficult for a single hawk to handle. One common tactic is a relay attack, where the hawks take turns chasing the prey until it is utterly exhausted. Another strategy involves one hawk flushing the prey from cover, while others wait in ambush. They even exhibit a unique behavior called backstacking, where they literally stand on each other's backs to get a better vantage point in their open, desert habitat. The courtship rituals of these predators are just as spectacular as their hunts. Eagles, in particular, are known for breathtaking aerial displays. A pair of bald eagles will often engage in a cartwheel display, They fly to a great height, lock talons, and then spiral downwards in a dramatic free fall, only breaking apart moments before they would hit the ground. This risky maneuver is a powerful demonstration of trust, fitness, and their bond. Many eagle pairs mate for life, returning to the same massive nest year after year. Peregrine falcons also perform impressive courtship flights, full of acrobatics and steep dives. During these displays, the male will often pass prey to the female in mid-air, a clear demonstration of his hunting prowess and his ability to provide for their future family. But not all social interactions in the sky are so cooperative. There is a darker side known as kleptoparasitism. This is, quite simply, parasitism by theft. It involves one animal stealing food that has been caught by another. Bald eagles are notorious for this. They will often harass smaller ospreys, which are master fishermen, until the osprey drops its hard-won fishy catch. The eagle then expertly snatches the meal in mid-air. It's an energy-saving tactic, allowing the eagle to get a meal without the effort and risk of hunting it itself. Life as a high-flying predator is, of course, perilous. They face a host of threats, both natural and, increasingly, human-made. The thin air of high altitudes, while manageable for them, still requires more energy to generate lift. The extreme cold is a constant challenge, especially for young birds. And territorial disputes over hunting grounds can escalate into dramatic and sometimes deadly aerial battles. But perhaps the greatest threats today come from us. Habitat loss and degradation are major concerns, as the open spaces, forests, and nesting sites these birds rely on are disappearing at an alarming rate. Climate change is also having a significant impact. Changes in temperature and rainfall can affect the abundance and distribution of their prey. For example, an increase in heavy rainfall in the Arctic has been directly linked to increased mortality in peregrine falcon nestlings, as the young chicks get soaked and die of hypothermia. Even our solutions can become problems. Wind turbines, a source of clean energy, have become a significant threat. Raptors are particularly vulnerable to collisions with turbine blades because they often soar at the same altitudes as the blades, and, focusing on the ground below, may not see them. Studies have shown that wind farms can effectively act as new apex predators, reducing the number of birds of prey in an area and causing a ripple effect through the local ecosystem. The history of the peregrine falcon itself serves as a stark reminder of our impact. In the mid-20th century, the widespread use of the pesticide DDT caused a catastrophic decline in their populations. The chemical accumulated in the food chain and caused the thinning of their eggshells, leading to widespread reproductive failure. The species was pushed to the brink, but it's also a story of hope. Thanks to a ban on DDT and decades of intensive conservation efforts, peregrine falcon populations have made a remarkable recovery. It's a powerful testament to the resilience of these birds and the importance of conservation action. The secret lives of high-flying predators are a captivating saga of adaptation, survival, and breathtaking beauty. From their exquisitely engineered bodies to their complex social behaviors, they represent the pinnacle of evolution in the aerial realm. As apex predators, they play a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of our ecosystems. Their presence is a sign of a healthy environment, and their decline is a clear warning that something is wrong. So the next time you look up at an empty sky, take a moment. Consider the hidden world of the high-flying predators, the silent and deadly rulers of the air, and our responsibility to ensure they continue to grace our skies for generations to come. Thanks for listening to G Fun Facts Online.